What's up everyone, welcome to your 17th tutorial in PHP, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to return values for functions, and it's real easy, so pay attention. Let me give myself some more space here, and let's start out by creating a function. And again, to do this, just type in the word function, and now we have to name it. And since I'm going to be adding numbers, I'm going to just name this function add. And unlike last time where we just added one parameter, I'm going to add two this time. Two variables that we're going to be adding together. I'm going to add the A variable, it's going to be our first number, and the B variable. These are going to be two numbers that we're going to substitute and add together later. So now we have to create our function. So add your curly braces, and anything in here is going to be your function. So now that we have a function called add, and we have two variables, now we have to tell PHP what to do with it. So I'm going to tell you, alright, to get the total, I want you to add the variable A plus the variable B. And this will give you the total. But now what you have to do is tell the function to return something, because since this is outside the regular PHP, when you call this variable, it's not going to know what to do, since this variable is only in this function. If you call total outside it, it won't work. So we want to say, alright, return the value of total. So now here's what this function is doing. It's going to say, alright, when we have two numbers, we're going to add them together, and we're going to give you the total. So now, let's put this to work. Now, what we want you to do is echo the function add, and now you're saying, alright, but what numbers are you going to put? Where do you put them? You put them right substituted wherever your parameters were in variables A and B. So let's say 8, and let's just add 9. So now you see, if we save this and go refresh it, we'd get the variable 17. And that's how you use a return value on a function. And just to show you guys that I didn't have it set up, let's add 12 and 343. Save that, refresh, 355. So again, to recap, we made a function and added two parameters that we're going to fill in later. We told PHP what we wanted the function to do. We said we want you to get the sum of numbers A and B and give us the sum. Now whenever we called our function, we were able to add our numbers, and it gave us a sum. So that's how you use a return value in your functions. So study this, and hope you watch my next tutorial. Thanks.